See, after understanding problem number 4, next one is problem number 5. So, in problem number 5, this question little confusion they given. This is very important because many of the question paper they ask this type of questions. Okay, what they given in problem number 5? See, the company's capital structure consists of following. Means the company capital structure means what? How much equity share capital is there? How much retained earning is there? Preference share capital depends. That is called total. It is a combination of all types of securities. How much capital structure is there? They given here. Following equity shares of represented each 20 lakh they given. Retained earnings 10 lakh given. 9% preference they given 12 lakh. 7% depends given 8 lakh. Total capital is 50 lakh. This is old capital we have. And apart from this 50 lakhs old capital, the company earns 12% on its capital. The company earn means profit, EBIT. 12% on capital they given. 12% on not only this old capital 50 lakhs, but what is total capital? We have to prepare analysis table and we have to calculate total capital of each financial plan. They will give financial plan 1, financial plan 2, financial plan 3. So on that, after knowing total capital of the company, we have to calculate return or EBIT you have to calculate. And for that purpose, you have to prepare table. Apart from that, they give 10% capital, okay. Tax rate is given 50%. And company required another 25 lakhs. Apart from that 50 lakhs, company want 25 lakhs. Means 50 plus 25, total we require 75 lakhs total capital. 75 lakhs into 12 divided 100, you will get return or income or EBIT. Later you have to do. Now, so how to calculate total capital? The 25 lakhs of each plan should tally 75 lakhs, 75 lakhs, 75, because old we have 50 given. New given 25 lakh. But how they raise 25 lakh? They given the program for the alternatives available for you. They given 3 alternatives for raising 25 lakhs, A, B, C. In place of 1, 2, 3, they given A plan, B plan, C plan. Means plan 1, plan 2, plan 3. They given. How to raise? Issue of 20,000 equity shares of rupees. Premium of 25 per share. Means old face value 100 is given a 100 is plus premium is 25%. That is old equity share, new equity share capital. Means 20,000 25. You will get 25 lakh. Then second alternative 10% preference shares. Means enter 25 lakh now. Issue by paying 10% 10% preference shares. Then issue of 8% debentures. Means enter 25 lakh. You have to calculate 8% debentures. These are new capitals. New capital. Okay. It is estimated that price earning ratio is given to 21.4, 17 and 15.7 respectively. Which financial plan is best or which alternative should be selected? You have to do. Before calculation of EPS and price earning ratio, first you have to prepare analysis table. I told in the annual examination or in the examination, don't show analysis table first because I don't have space. That's why first I am showing analysis table. First you have to show calculation of EPS. Leave some space, one page. What is that? Gap and start analysis table here. Now I will show you first analysis table opposite. Analysis table. So particulars, plan 1, plan 2, plan 3, or they given A, B, C. There are 3 plans. First you have to take the company's capital structure, old capital structure, which is given in the question. You see old equity share capital. Old equity share capital of rupees 100 is they given 20 lakhs. This is different. For all the plans, 20 lakhs is common. See, 20 lakhs. Okay. Calculate as usual. Next, retained earnings. Have to show capital structure. Retained Earnings also same, old, 10 lakhs. Because it will take little time for preparing this showing capital structure. Then 9% preferences, these are old. 9% preference share capital. All is preference share capital 12 lakh. 12 lakh you have to calculate dividend, preference dividend for each financial plans. Next, 7% debentures. This is auto old. 7% debentures. This is auto old. They given in the question. 8 lakhs. Means you have to calculate 7% interest on these old debentures. See, these are old capital structure. We know. See, new equity share capital. See, company want to raise another 25 lakhs, like 25 lakhs, LKS lakhs. How? There are three alternatives available. A, B, C. A, B, C means 1, 2, 3 or A, B, C they given. What is first alternative? How they raise 25 lakhs they given? What they given? First point. Issue of 20,000 equity shares at a premium of rupees 25 per share. See, actual face value 100 each given, 100 each. But how they raise equity share capital? They given equity share capital. Equity shares, how many given? 20,000 equity shares of rupees. Premium of rupees 25 per share means 100 rupees plus 25 premium means we have to show face value 100 rupees. Premium should show separately. So how much here? First plan, say first plan. This is first or A point. So 20 lakhs. Then premium, we have to show premium also. I will show you separately. See here. 20,000 into 25 rupees. That is called premium we have to show. Means 100 to 5 lakh. This is 5 lakh. 25 means 100 plus 25 and 25. So I will show you separately because of we want separate. Share capital separate, premium separate. So dash 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 dash. Okay. So this is first plan A point, point A I wrote. What is going to be point? Issue of 10% preferences. New 10% preference shares dash. How much rupees? 25 lakhs. Because we want 25, not 25 lakhs. The company want raise another 25 lakhs for this. Equity share capital 20 lakh plus premium 25 lakhs. Second point, second plan B point what they given? 10% preferences. Issue of 10% preference means entire 25 lakh issued by paying 10% dividend. This over. And third what they given? The second point, the third plan if what they given? Issue of 8% debentures, 8% new debentures. You want these are new only. New, I wrote here new debentures. Which plan? Third plan. The entire 25 lakh issued by the company, arised by the company from the public by paying what? 8% interest to debenture holders. Where in C plan, CIO. Okay. That's all. How they raise 25 lakh? By equity shares, equity payment, by preference shares, by debentures. In textbook you will get confusion, but I am showing here very clearly. Now total capitalization. This is called total capitalization or capital structure of the company. So you should add all these, add all, you will get 75 lakh. Company required whatever they issued by company it should tally 75 lakhs. Means old is 50 plus new is 25, total 75. How they are located like this? 75, 75. Therefore, we want number of equity shares. That is important for us. Number of equity shares. Number of equity shares. Now you see equity share capital, equity, I told the old equity was 20 lakh plus, see, new equity. See, new equity share. Don't add premium. Don't add premium. New numbers. 20 lakh. 20 plus 20, 40 lakhs. No need to add premium or other things. Only equity shares. See, I don't shares, equity shares. Second plan, equity numbers. 20 lakh. Here any equity is there? No. 20 lakh. Third numbers. Only equity. 20. Again new. Equity is there? No. 20. Divide. See, divide. One share value, how much is given in question? 100 is the given starting value, 100. Face value of share 100 rupees. 202 get cancelled. 20 get cancelled. 2 get cancelled. So 40,000 shares. This is 20,000 shares. This is 20,000 shares. This is called number of shares is required for calculation of EPS. Number of equity shares 40,000, 20,000, 20,000. See, after understanding this number of equity shares, now how to calculate EPS under different plans? EPS under different plans. See, next is calculation of EPS. I want this. Debentures, everything they want. Okay, I will. So it's small handwriting. Calculation of EPS. This is 12 lakh total share. 12 lakh. This is 12 lakh. This is 8 lakh. 8 lakh. 8 lakh. It is not table. It is there with you. Okay. Now calculation of earning per share EPS. So particulars plan 1 or A, plan 2 B, plan 3 C. If what A, B, C, they are given A, B, C. This is particulars. Now EBH or they given return. What percent return? 12% on capitalization. Old how much? 50 lakh plus 25 lakh. How much? 75 lakh. See on this total capital. On this 75 lakh. 75 lakh into 12 divided by 100. You will get return or EPS 9 lakh. 9 lakh is common for all alternatives. This is called return or earning before interest and tax less interest. I have to calculate interest. See here we have to calculate two types of interest. Old. They given in a question only. See interest 7% you can see 8 lakh common. You want old. How much? 8 lakh old debentures. Interest on debentures debt debentures. How much percent? 8 lakh into 7 divide 100. So 56,000. 56,000 is common for all alternatives. So here, see depends which given here, 25 third alternative. So first two alternative 56,000 is common. See. So in third also 56 is common. Third they given. Then new interest. What new given? See. Unless is step only. Interest. This is over common for 50, 56. But third plan, no, I want interest on new. See, 8% depends for first plan and second plan. How much? 25 lakh. 25 lakh into 8 divided 100. 25 lakh into 8%, 8 divided 100. So first one is 56,000 plus 25 lakh into 8,100, 2 lakh, which is 2 lakhs. So total 2,56,000. Or third alternative, see. See, third, because of new, they given in third only. What is common for 8 lakh? No, it's clear now? Okay. You get EBT, earning before tax, you get EBT. This minus this minus this, you get 8,44,000. Here also 8,44,000. Oh yeah, 8,44,000. This minus this is called 6,44,000. This is called EBT. Then less tax at a rate of 50%. So you have to deduct tax. 50 half of this. 4,22,000. 4,22,000. This minus this 3,22,000. See. So you will get PAT. This one is 4,22,000. We also this one is 4,22,000. This one is 3,22,000. This is called earning after tax. Then less preference dividend. See here. That's why I did not write here. Preference dividend. We have to deduct. Preference how much? 12 lakh, 12 lakh, 12 lakh for all. Old. Okay, new preference here. New preference which plan? Second plan we have to calculate. So less preference dividend 12 lakh, no 9%, remember. Plus preference dividend. %, preference dividend 12 lakh. 12 dividend take old 12 lakh into 9%, 9 divided 100, 1,08,000. 1,08,000 plus new dividend. New dividend you will know. See here. Which plan? Second plan. New. How much new? 25 lakh into 10 divided 100. 2,50,000. So total it comes 3,55,000. This plus this. Okay. So 1,08,000 is common first plan. Second, third plan also 1,08,000. Then third plan, because this is third they given, C plan given, third they given. Sorry, second they given. Which plan? It's second they given, second. Old 1,08,000 plus 2,50,000 total 3,55,000. See, I'm written in bold letters. I'm writing in bold letters. You deduct, you will get earnings available to equity shareholders. Short clearly working. Earnings available to equity shareholder short form. This minus this minus this. So 3,14,000 first one. This minus this 64,000. This minus this 2,14,000. This is called earnings available to equity shareholders. Now EPS equals. Now it is easy. EPS equals earnings available to equity shareholders divided by number of equity shares. Okay. Earning available 3,14,000 first one. second 64,000, third 2,14,000, divided by number of equity shares 40,000, 20,000, 20,000. See, 40, 20, 20. So you will get this divided is EPS earning per share is 7.55, then 3.20, then 10.70, and calculated in paper, not in textbook. Paper in textbook it is difficult to understand you people. That's why I calculate separately. Now see, now earning per share, which earning is more? See, plan, comment. If you write comment means, so according to this EPS, plan C or plan third should be selected because its EPS is more than the other two alternatives. Okay, this. Now apart from that, they ask here to calculate market price per share. Market price per share. How to calculate market price per share? We know EPS, earning per share. This is EPS. Then they are given here price earning ratio. In the question they given price earning ratio is they given 20. See in the question 17, 16. Now market price per share equals market price per share equals equation. You already studied last year. You studied in BCom. You studied in BBA also last year also in accounts. So EPS into earning per share. This is the equation. So EPS into price earning ratio. Price earning ratio. This into this. This into this. 7 EPS into earning price. This is multiply. This into this. This into this. This into this. But in the exam don't show like this. So this into rupees first one. This into this. 145.83 rupees. 145.83. This into 79.79 market price per share. Then rupees 130. Rupees 130 market price per share. Okay. So this is a different question compared to last questions. Last question. See, understood now? Okay. See, after understanding this problem number 5, I will explain you problem number 6. In problem number 6 also same thing. Similar problem they given. This problem it was appear in many question papers. This type comes. Bangalore City in other